Kuya, patawag mo nga yung nagluto nito.
Yo, what's up, Burger Beasts? Welcome back to another episode of Vic's on the Road, where we chase the juiciest burgers across the Philippines. Today, we're in Boracay, not just famous for its powdery white sand, but also for burgers that slap harder than your Tito's karaoke solos. Boracay was once voted one of the best islands in the world, but today, we're voting on its burgers. 3 spots, 1 mission. Let's find out which buns rule this beach. Like, share, and let's get greasy. The hunt begins now.
Hey, what's up everyone? We're back again here in Boracay Island, and for today's video, ating titikman yung tatlong famous burger dito sa Boracay that you shouldn't miss. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara na and watch this video.
Alright, let's get to the main course. Our first stop is Hakuna Matata, tucked inside the cozy Mandarin nest.
Yan na, abangan natin ang Lava Cheeseburger. So, here comes the Lava Cheeseburger.
Legend has it, their signature burger erupts with molten cheese, like it's trying to start a flavor revolution. So we came, we saw, and now we devour.
Ayan na, so atin ang tikman ang Lava Cheeseburger ng Hakuna Matata. Tikman natin, no? Sobrang cheesy, grabe. The patty is so thick and may cheese pa siya sa loob. Bukod dun sa pinor na cheese, may cheese pa rin siya sa loob. And with bacon. So, tikman natin. Grabe, sobrang cheesy. So, sobrang cheesy niya, no? Nag-uumapaw sa cheese. Nakita niyo, pinalibutan ng cheese yung burger. Nasa sizzling plate. And yung cheese niya talagang, hindi siya nakakaumay. Yung patty niya, kakaiba yung lasa. Burger patty niya, nagmamatch dun sa cheese. And then, may bacon pang kasama. And mabubusog ka talaga dun sa presyo niya, no? Kung naghahanap ka ng unique burger na wala sa Manila, yung Lava Cheeseburger talaga, the best. Babalik-balikan mo dito sa Boracay. It's not a joke. Hindi siya paid advertisement. Masarap lang talaga siya. And babalik-balikan mo. Hahanapan natin mo to sa Boracay. Kuya. Patawag mo nga yung nagluto nito. Sino nagluto nito? Kasi ang sarap!
Hakuna Matata melted our minds with that Lava Cheeseburger. But the hunt doesn't stop there. Next up, Jammers Boracay, the OG burger joint that's been flipping patties since before Boracay had Wi-Fi. Let's jam!
Yan, so una nilang sinerve itong lemon hydra. Ito yung favorite kong hangover cures dito sa Boracay, no? So it's made of lemon juice with secret ingredients. So tikman natin. Refreshing. Grabe, ang sarap. Lasang-lasa mo yung lemon, then ginger, and yung Himalayan salt na nilagay nila, tama-tama. It complements the sourness, yung asim nung nung kalamansi. Ito talaga yung babalik-balikan mo sa Boracay, yung mga ganitong klaseng unique dishes, unique drinks. Yung mamimiss natin sa Laguna. Walang ganito sa Laguna eh. Okay, so dumating na yung Jammers Classic Cheeseburger. Magkano nga to be? 430? Hindi, nalimutan ko kung magkano to. So, tikman natin kung gaano kasarap itong famous na Jammers Classic Cheeseburger. Beef na beef siya. Yung beef niya, may kakaibang timpla eh. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga ibang burger. Parang tingin ko yun yung unique sa kanya, yung beef patty. And kakaiba din yung lasa na binibigay ng onions ha. And yung mustard sauce yata itong nilagay nila sa na kulay dilaw sa loob. Parang mustard sauce siguro yan. And kakaiba eh. As in, hindi mo siya maihahalin tulad sa ibang mga burgers na natikman mo. Feeling ko kaya sikat tong Jammers na classic cheeseburger is because dun sa patty niya. Ito siguro yung binabalik-balikan. So para sa akin, yung sa Jammers, I think it's the best place to eat the burger. Kasi talagang beachfront siya, kumakain ka ng burger, nakikita mo yung dagat, nakikita mo yung wave, and of course, may mga crowd sa baba, may music and all. And hindi siya ganun kainit, no? So kung naghahanap kayo ng aircon, meron din aircon dun sa loob. Kung gusto niyo ng magandang view, meron din dun sa taas. Or kung gusto niyo na medyo, medyo chill lang, may mga para silang duyan dun sa baba. So for me, yung place ni Jammers, siya yung best place to eat the best burger in Boracay.
Jammers served up nostalgia with every bite, but now we're heading to the back beach. It's chill, it's local, and rumor has it, their patties pack a punch stronger than a Habagat wave. Let's roll!
Next naman natin is yung Classic A Burger ng Back Beach Burger.
So this is all beef burgers po. At the back is chicken burgers, vegetarian burgers, and then sides and platters. For the best seller po naman, we have Classic A. This one is just normal cheeseburger, but with caramelized onion, cabbage, and then tomato. Then also this one, smash burger, 2 patties, but same amount of the regular patty. It also contains 130 grams. We just divided into 2 patties to make it thin and crispy on the side. And then this one, Big Boy Burger, it's just the Classic A, same amount. And then 2 130 grams. So 2 130 grams of patties. There's 2 patties, 2 cheese, and then add bacon po. So these 3 is our best seller.
Yeah, so tikman natin ngayon ang Classic A Burger ng Back Beach Burger sa Boracay. Let's go! Yan. So, kitang-kita natin dito, no? Siksik siya. Feeling ko mas mabigat to kaysa dun sa burger ng Jammers kanina. Ang laki, oh. Parang ang hirap agatin ito, pero let's try it. Let's try to bite. Siya, siksik sa beef. Yung patty niya, juicy. So, kung i-compare mo dun sa burger ng Jammers, this one, mas juicy siya. Siguro, for its price. Pero sulit siya. Pero sulit, bakit? Ang bigat niya, and then, daming flavors, flavorful. Tama-tama din yung sauce, then yung tomatoes, yung onions, and talagang ito, ang dumi na anong bibig ko oh. Sarap. Yeah, so I can say itong Classic A Burger ng Back Beach Burger. Ito yung classic burger na gusto mong hanap-hanapin din somewhere sa Laguna or sa Manila, pero hindi mo siya makita eh. Unique siya, unique. Parang babalik-balikan mo. Hindi lang siya this is a must try, but this is a must try again. Yung tinapay niya, medyo unique yung bread niya na parang toasted siya na may binibigay na flavor yung bun. So, may iba't ibang character talaga yung mga burgers. Hindi mo siya masabi na ay kalasa siya. Sobrang unique. Yung first na burger na tinry natin dito, yung lava cheeseburger. Second, yung sa Jammers na burger, and then this one, Back Beach Burger. Everything is unique. Yan, so guys, natapos na nating tikman lahat ng burger na mga binanggit ko kanina. So alin nga ba dun sa tatlo yung masasabi kong best burger in town? So yung tatlong burgers na yon, may kanya-kanya siyang unique taste. And feeling ko, for this burger review Boracay edition, mananalo talaga sa taste yung sa Jammers. Kasi tamang-tama yung yung saltiness. Perfect yung patty niya for me. The best tasting burger is yung nasa Jammers. If you're looking for something affordable and something na masarap, the best burger is still yung sa Back Beach Burger. Kasi sobrang sa presyo niya, hindi ka na mapapahiya, hindi ka na malulugi. Talagang panalo na siya for its price. But if you have the budget, you can try also the Jammers Burger, no? Their classic burger doon sa Jammers. Kaya madalas laging fully book yung Jammers, no? Kasi talagang masarap yung food nila doon and napakaganda ng view. And of course, if you want to try something new, you shouldn't miss also yung lava cheeseburger ng Hakuna Matata. So masasabi natin yung tatlong burgers na yun, may unique identity sila, may unique profile, and kung depende sa cravings mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mong tikman, I highly recommend yung tatlong yun. For me, those 3 burgers are Boracay's top 3 burger joints. If you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and like this video. So, see you on our next vlog. Bagay na bagay ito kapag after mo lang maligo sa dagat, after mo mag-swimming, napagod ka sa kakalangoy, kaka-paddleboard, napagod ka sa parasailing, tapos ganito yung view na makikita mo, burger ka, sarap.
Banda na tawil again. See you again.